What I consider special about Cedar Hill Prep from inception is that place where a child, knowing that they're going to spend quite a lot of time at that place, should consider as their second home.
What I love the most about the school is the fact that everyone is given a chance. For example, there are kids that are introverts and some are extroverts. Cedar Hill Prep encourages all the children to be able to speak and advocate for themselves, and that is done from a very young age. Everyone is given the chance to be a part of a team.
Cedar Hill Prep offers these students so much, from a 9-acre campus for a preschool through 8th grade child to be able to go 4 different buildings. It's almost like a small college feel for them. I believe we empower our students. My door is open. I have students that come in and talk to me daily. I do lunch with the principal where I meet with students. I do coffee with the parents. I think we have a very open administration. We're open to suggestions, and I think we started in 2003. By 2017, we were a blue ribbon school. We were one of the youngest schools in the country to win the blue ribbon. We're a Middle States accredited school, and we've only been around 18 years. When our first graduating class, they would call the principal and say, "Cedar Hill who?" And now they're calling here asking for our students.
Most schools are all about the walls, the concrete, the marble. But for a child, nature has a huge play in their life. They need to see trees. They need to see a stream. They need to see play spaces, because children are most imaginative until they're 12. And when all an architect or a school designer can think of is shiny surfaces and rectangles, they've completely lost sight of what makes children happy.
I still recall when my kid was in 7th grade, I walked up to Nan and said, "Nan, why don't you extend? Why don't you make the school go up till the 12th grade so that I don't have to go through the hassle of looking for another school?" And she made a point which kind of resonates with me till now. She said, "Look, I am preparing kids for high school. I'm a prep school for high school, just like how high schools are for undergrad program." And rightfully so. When I have seen other schools, without naming them, the schools that goes from pre-K to 12th grade, naturally the focus is on the high school, because that's the most important event of a kid's life. So you need a school which can focus primarily on the middle school and elementary school, prepare them for that life, for the rigor that they're going to face.
I believe we teach the whole child, and we teach the child how to time management. Time management is one of the biggest things for these students these days. Cedar Hill Prep is a rigorous school, no doubt, but we teach these kids how to manage their time, how to schedule their day, how to schedule their weekends, how they can still tie in extracurricular activities with their academics.
I have been debating for a long time, should we do public school or move to a better district and then go to a public school, or pick a private school. So that I have thought about a lot. So I feel private school is a good choice because we have more control over our education. I feel that the school is really focused on how to get my kid to be better prepared for life.
I'll tell you that to succeed in life, in my opinion, and it's not about career-wise, overall I'm saying, while aptitude is important, which is required for you to play in a certain game, which is where the schools, the colleges you go to, the most important factor is attitude. And attitude doesn't come in a day. It's a learned skill for sure, but you cannot learn it like in just one instance. And a lot of things has to happen around where you spend your time. And guess what? A child spends most of his time in school, either in school or in the aura of that, right? He comes home, doing homework, staying in school, talking to friends, talking to teachers and all. And school has to teach the attitude to face this life. I believe that CHP does a fabulous job in teaching kids in getting the right attitude in play so that they can succeed in life, they can go out, embrace any challenge, do not get too bogged down by challenges in life and take life at its face.
The parent-teacher ratio is great. The size of the school is great for the teachers to be able to, give the necessary work that is needed, as well as give them the feedback that they would require to move on.
The insights that I would like to share with parents are, there is not a single alumni from CHP who will tell you that they have not benefited from what was taught, how it was taught, how they were learned to be organized, how they were learned to manage time, and how to plan their life. And that, I would say, is the USP of Cedar Hill.